Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Gen-Y Torsion 2-ball mount with stacked receiver tubes. This is going to be a shock absorbing ball mount for you so that you can get your trailer hooked up to your tow vehicle. This will slide right into your 3-inch by 3-inch trailer hitch receiver on your vehicle. You can see we've got a couple of different pinholes here. So we've got a 5/8 inch diameter pinhole here that's about 2 3/4 of an inch back. And then our 3/4 inch pinhole is about 4 1/4 of an inch back. So depending on where your pinhole lines up on your hitch, what size pinhole you need will determine which one you use. You probably already have a pin for your hitch. They do not include one with this, but we do have lots of options available here at etrailer.com. We also have locking pins if you want to add a little extra security and make sure that this is going to stay on your truck when you're not around. So that's going to be on our vehicle side once we have this connected onto our hitch. And then here at the back, we're going to have our ball mount that's going to allow us to connect our trailer. So this gives us a 2-inch ball, a 2 5/16 inch ball, and a pinhole lock. So whether your trailer has a 2-inch ball coupler, a 2 5/16 inch ball coupler, or a lunette ring, this is going to allow you to tow that trailer. So that gives us a lot of options there. If you're towing multiple different kinds of trailers with different couplers, that'll give you lots of variety in what kind of trailers you can tow. This is a solid, heavy-duty steel construction, so it is going to hold up really well for you. If you're not familiar with Gen-Y, they do have a reputation for building very robust, solid products, and this is no exception. It's going to hold up really well for you. It's also going to give us pretty high weight capacities. If you're using your 2-inch ball, your gross towing weight capacity is going to be 16,000 pounds. That, of course, is the weight of your trailer plus your load included, and a maximum tongue weight of 1,500 pounds. That's the amount of weight you can push down on it. So you want to determine how you load your trailer to ensure that it's going to fit that max tongue weight. If you're using our 2 5/16 inch ball, you're going to have a gross towing weight of 21,000 pounds and a maximum tongue weight of 2,400 pounds. Now with that ball, you do want to make sure that you're within that optimum ride tongue weight, which is between 1,600 pounds and 2,400 pounds. And the reason for that is because of our torsion shock absorbing system. If you have less than that 1,600 pounds, it's really not going to engage the system properly. So you're going to need at least that 1,600 pounds. And to help you with that, they do include the tongue weight scale here on the back side. You can see our red, green, and red stickers here. Those stickers need to line up with that white painted line you can see there. And when you have your trailer loaded, everything hooked up, you want that white line to be matched up with that green portion of that sticker so that you know you're within that right tongue weight range to make sure that the system is going to properly engage. So it's nice that they include that to give you a little indicator, make sure that everything's going to be riding smoothly for you. As far as our shock absorbing technology goes, if you're not familiar with torsion systems, it's kind of like a torsion axle, if you know that any better. So at each of our pivot points, we're going to have these square bars here, and then on all of the sides, we've got rubber cords. So as our unit pivots, absorbs those, or moves with that shock that you're getting, those rubber cords are going to help to minimize the shock that is transferred from your trailer up to your tow vehicle and vice versa. So it is going to do a great job of absorbing that shock to give you a more comfortable ride and to reduce the wear and tear on your equipment. We do have the 5 stacked receiver tubes here that are going to allow us to mount our ball mount and pinhole lock in different heights to accommodate different trailers. So wherever your trailer sits when it's level, the coupler height, you want to make sure that you get the ball mounted where it's going to line up with that so that your trailer rides nice and level for you. Very simple process. You just remove the clip, slide out the pin, and then you can move that ball wherever you need it. So if we have it in the rise position, like I have it here, the top side of our shank to the ball platform, which is about where the coupler is going to sit, is going to give us a rise of about 3 inches. So if your coupler sits 3 inches higher than the top inside edge of your hitch receiver, that will work for you. And then if we have it in the lowest position, the drop position down there, which I can't get in place because of the table, our maximum drop is going to be 9 inches. So if your coupler, when your trailer is sitting level, if your coupler's 9 inches below the top inside edge of your receiver tube, that will work for you. And then of course we have lots of adjustment range in between there. So again, that's going to allow us to tow several different trailers. Be very easy to adjust from one trailer to another to make sure that they're going to be riding level for us. Of course, these 3-inch by 3-inch receivers will not only accept our included ball mount and pintle lock, but your other hitch mounted accessories as well. So if you aren't going to be towing, you want to put on some other hitch mount accessory, you can put that on there. You don't have to take the whole system out as well. So in addition to our steel construction, this does have a zinc primer and powder coat finish to help resist corrosion, so it'll last a nice long time for you. Our ball mount and pintle lock have this matte black finish to them, so they look really nice, and again, helps to resist rust and corrosion. This does meet the SAE J684 standard, so it is J684 certified. On the back of our pivot points here, it's going to be kind of hard for you to see, but there are grease zerks, so it is very simple to maintain. Just put your grease gun on there, pump some grease in to keep that lubricated, so it's going to pivot easily for you. This is made here in the USA, so you can trust it's made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. And so if you are looking for lots of adjustability, if you're going to be towing different kinds of trailers with different attachments and ride heights, I think this is going to do a really good job for you. So I hope this video has answered all your questions. If you do have any others, feel free to reach out to us here at etrailer.com. We're always happy to work with our customers to make sure you're getting all the information you need to make the best decision for you. That completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.